Someone was asking, say, how do you put the motorbike on free? How to ride the motorbike tutorial. I have done this video over and over again, but this panel wasn't around. So this one is a tutorial. I'm not going anywhere. So let me put the helmet down. Okay, fine. Now in this case, when you sit on it like this, you make sure you take down your stand. This is the key. You insert it. Come forward a bit. In most motorbikes, there is something called dashboard over here, and most of the motorbike also do not have dashboard. So if you are learning, you learn everything into your memory. Fine. This one is 5-gear motorbike. This one is Absonic or Royal or whatever it is. Good. I have already made you understand that most of the motorbikes, especially the power bikes, the first gear is down like this. Come to this side. The first gear, you only press the clutch, then you press the back, the lever down like this. In this case, it is on first gear. After some seconds or some minutes, you will bring it back. As soon as you bring it back, it's on second gear. Someone may ask, why is it that when you go down it's first gear, but when you come back it doesn't go to neutral but rather come to second gear? That is how they have managed it. If you want to come to back to neutral, there is a way of bringing it back. You will not press it harder, you will only press it softer. By so doing, it will go to neutral. So how to place the motorbike on neutral? Let me go back a bit. Come back, come forward. As soon as you leave it like this, if you want to go back, it doesn't go. So meaning it is on gear. Fine. So this one, because there is no dashboard over here, when you have dashboard, the dashboard will indicate the kind of gear that the motor is. But this one, there is no dashboard, so you use your memory to identify the kind of gear that is. So you will make sure you bring it up once. If you bring it up and it doesn't come to the neutral, you bring it up again, you try, you bring it up again, you try. Now it's on neutral. As you can see, it's on neutral. So as it is on neutral like this, you can on your key, then you start your motorbike. It's on. Fine. Come to this side for me. Once it's on like this, before you can move, this is your clutch. Your right side is your brake. The same thing applies to the down. The left side is the clutch that you use to change gears or gear lever or whatever it is. Clutch at the left side, left hand side. Left leg side is the gear paddle or whatever it is. When you come to the right side, everything at the right side is brake. So come to the right side. When you come to the right side like this, your right hand upper here is brake. Your right leg down here is also brake. So your right side will make sure the motorbike will stop moving. The movement of the motorbike will stop at your right side, and your left side will make sure the motorbike will be moving smooth and safe as well. Okay, now so come to this side again. Sorry for disturbing you. So before you move to first gear, you press your clutch like this, then press it down. Now it is on first gear. So as soon as you begin to release your hand from the clutch, it is like manual car. As soon as you begin to release your leg a bit by bit, you see that there will be a movement in the motor or the machine. So when you are leaving it like this, slowly like this, you see that it is going, it is going, it is going. When you press it, it will stop. Now it is on down, so first gear. If I want to bring it to neutral, I will bring it up, small one, then it's on neutral again. This one is Apsonic or Guangzhou. Yeah, this one is Guangzhou or whatever it is. Come forward and this Guangzhou, all the gears, all the 5 gears are down. All the 5 gears are down. They are all down gears. As I said, most of the power bikes has their first gear are down and the rest will be at the top. So first down. If it is 6 gears, 7 gears, 5 gears, 10 gears, whatever gears it is, the first one will be at down and the rest will be at top. And this one, the first, second, third, fourth, and the fifth, they are all down. So when you start it like this, first down, second down, third down, fourth down, fifth down as well. They are all down. And when you go again, you are neutral. Thank you very much. If you have any other thing to ask, just ask at the comment section and I will come and reply you. Pepe. Thank you very much.